Stinky? Hi, Stinky. Yeah, what else? What else do you want to say? Say, hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. You smile. Oh, you gonna eat that toast? They're tasty, huh? Say love you. Say miss you. Say hello. Stinky, stinky. Oh, we got ear toes again. So I'm just a wiggle monster.